friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking boneless chuck steak in the air fryer. So we have boneless chuck steak, and I'm going to use olive oil, and for my seasonings I'll just keep it simple, use salt and pepper, but you can use any seasonings you'd like. So I'm going to open the package of boneless chuck steak. And I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and sprinkle the salt and pepper. So the oil is used to keep it moist. So season to taste with your seasonings. And now I'm going to rub in the seasoning and do the same for the other side. So I evenly distribute the oil and seasoning. And now let's flip over the steak. And then again, I'll do the same thing. And rub in the oil and seasoning. And now let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'll put the steak in the air fryer. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it'll set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip the steak over so it cooks evenly. And I will put the air fryer basket in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this steak, it looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend checking the internal temperature with the instant read thermometer. So it just depends on how well done you'd like your steak. So this is 145, which is about medium to medium well. So basically 140 is medium, 150 is medium well, and 160 is well done. So it really depends on how well done you like your steak. If you're a fan of more rare steak, so this was 400 degrees for 12 minutes. So if you want it to be more rare, do it, let's say, for 10 minutes. If you want it to be more well done, then put it back in the air fryer and cook it for additional few minutes. But to me, this is perfect. So I will take it out of the air fryer. And I'll put it on a plate. So for best results, let's let the meat rest for 5 minutes before slicing, and then I'll be back. So now it's been 5 minutes, so the steak has rested, and now let's cut it and try it. So see, the steak is perfectly cooked. So it even looks like it was well done, even though its temp was showing medium. So take a note, if this is too much cooked for you, then instead of 12 minutes, you can do 10 minutes or even 9 minutes. So totally up to you. And if you want it not really pink in the middle, like this, then this was 12 minutes at 400. So let's try it. The steak is tender, it's juicy, it tastes amazing, it's perfectly seasoned. I think the olive oil really helps to keep it moist. So even though it's fairly done, it's still pretty soft. Tastes amazing, and it's so easy to make in the air fryer. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!